we are borrowing this. It's for free. You can borrow if you're gonna buy things from this store, Koble. We're gonna buy some wood and other important materials which we need for renovation, so we're gonna have to borrow. And this is how you connect it. So it's locked with this thing, with this case. It's locked. This is the set if you're gonna borrow. So like that one, there's a lock. So this is the set that you're gonna use. Now you're just lifting it up, right? Lifting up the wheel. Okay, now it's up. The wheel is up. It's so sunny. Let's go over that. We're ready to go.
Can you check if you have lights?
Okay, I'll check. Now we have to check if the lights work. Here at the back. Yeah, it works. Good. Yes, it's working. Good. Again. Works. Okay, good. Yes, good. Good. Works. So now we're in. This is a drive-in store. You get what you like and then you pay for it. So we're gonna see what we need here. They have a lot of sale. We might buy door as well. 40%.
Look at this price.
Maybe there's cheaper. It's cheaper in Big Mall, Biltema. Yeah, see online.